Hi guys. Um, I'm working on Toyota rav4 2006 oxygen sensor, bank1 sensor too. I checked the sensors, it's not working looks like, but I replaced brand new Denso oxygen sensor. It says still 0 voltage. It doesn't work. I checked the wave. It's still 0. Still not working. But also my four-wheel drive lights is on at the same time. Sorry. Yeah. And I found the blown fuse at driver's side under the dash. It's four-wheel drive fuse. It's blown. It's number, sorry. It's number 13, 7.5 amp. Fuse is blown. I put brand new fuse. This one. Sorry, it's too tight. This one, number 13. When I put brand new fuse, and light is gone. And also I checked the voltage. Sorry. Yeah. Oxygen sensor, bank1 sensor too. Start work. It's working. Just replace number 13 fuse, 7.5 amp, four-wheel drive fuse. It's connect with probably oxygen sensor, bank1 sensor too. Thanks guys.